Boom. Classic, there he is, right there. Let's give him back.
He wasn't outside that tree, I didn't see him.
No. He was just right here, he was there. And we were there.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
Here we are, mate.
Oh, mate. No,
Mate.
Another one, I haven't sat down.
And right across the other side there's another 3 more just standing there.
Yeah, they're still feeding.
Yeah, if you can't quite see them with the zoom on this. Oh, here we go. Yeah, 1, 2, just standing right. Oh, hard to focus, but yeah, we've just seen one on the slip, a spiker over there, and a hind and a fawn, and now we've just seen this spiker here as well. So, and we've got old mate Wop bugling up in the back there. So we're just at the mouth of the Whitewater here, mate, in George Sound.
Yes, we are.
And we're about to crank it up, buddy. Yeah, we better go and catch some cod for dinner. Yes, yeah. Time is getting on. Yes.
Okay.
Very nice. Okay, over and out.